one thing that I realized during my prep for CAT last year was that instead of trying to solve new questions in this last moment and getting all hassled and stressed, what really worked for me more was actually revisiting the mocks that I had already given and identifying areas where I was going consistently wrong. In this way, I knew what I had to focus on in my last minute revision so that I can avoid making the same mistakes in the final CAT exam.
Also, try to take these mocks during that part of the day when you will be actually appearing in the examination, because that way you will train your brain psychologically to be active during that part of the day. Also, one thing that I strongly suggest not to do is change your strategy during the last few days of your preparation. People usually do that looking at some random videos. Trust me, that just creates the confusion during D-Day. So believe in your strategy, believe in your practice, believe in what you've been doing throughout, and though that very strategy will actually help you sail through the examination.
Give revised basics of your CAT in the final week. Apart from that, also give some basics mock which will increase your confidence. And the most important thing which I would suggest you is that be confident, be motivated.
So when you attempt the DLR section, you may first check all the sets, all the questions, and figure out which all sections will take more time in solving, and then accordingly make an order in which you will be solving first all the questions or the sets which will take least amount of time. This way you can score more in this. Also, while solving the questions, keep this thing in mind that you are not putting much amount of time in a particular question. This can hamper your score.
So even though the time period has changed from 3 hours to 2 hours, the concepts that CAT will teach you or test you on will remain the same. So for VRC section in particular, CAT tests you on accuracy. So for accuracy, make sure that whatever questions you attempt will stay correct, because in VRC you attempt the most questions. And for that, make sure to write down your thought process while attempting the questions in CAT.
The first and foremost thing is, do not give up until the last minute of the exam. You should not lose hopes on giving the exam. My verbal section went wrong, so let me lose it on the DLR section or the quant section. Do not give it up. If your verbal section goes wrong, it's still fine. You have the option to do better in your DILR and your quant section. Do not give up until the last question and the last minute of the exam.
The most important thing for you to do in these last few days is to keep your nerve. Keep a cutoff period, preferably 24 to 36 hours before the exam, to make sure that after this time you give no more mocks, you do no more study, you cut off your screen time to make sure that you sleep well, because a well-rested, calm mind will be able to do much better on this exam than a troubled, nervous mind.
The attitude that you would go into the D-Day. So keep some time for the things that makes you happy and don't stress yourself out. And even I would suggest to not do any study the day before the CAT and enjoy that day.
And no matter what, this one exam can never be a measure of your capability, and it never can be.